For the first method, head over to search and then type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find network and internet and then click on run. And then you want to follow all of the steps and then see if this fixes the problem for you. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on network and internet. And then we're going to click on Ethernet. And then you want to make the public network, change that to private. You also want to make sure that your metered connection is off. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in ncpa.cpl. Click on enter. And then you want to find your Ethernet connection. We're going to double click on it. And then we're going to head over to properties. And then we're going to click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that use the following DNS server address is ticked. And you want to make the first line 8888. And you want to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. For the next method, you want to right click on your Ethernet cable and then click on disable. Once you disable it, you want to wait about like 20 seconds. And then you want to right click on it again and then click on enable. And then see if that works. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on network and internet. And then we're going to select advanced network settings. And then we're going to click on network reset. And then click on reset now and see if that works. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to open up and expand network adapters. And then you want to find your Ethernet cable. So this one's mine right here. So I'm going to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has been installed, then you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. And then you want to select the second one and then click on next and see if that works for you. If that doesn't work, then you want to right click on it and then click on disable device, click on yes. Once you disable it, right click on it again and then click on enable device and see if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to right click on it, click on uninstall device, and then once you uninstall it, you want to click on action, and then you want to click on scan for hardware changes. And then the device will appear again and see if that works. For the next step, you want to take a note of the name of your Ethernet cable, and then you want to just type it in on Google, and then you want to head over to the manufacturer's website, and then you want to click on the first link, and then you want to just get the download for it. So I'm going to get this one. Even though it says Windows 10, it should also work for Windows 11. And then click on download file. And then just follow all the steps and just download it to your computer. Once you complete all the methods in this video and you do the final download, then restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart, don't shut down, click on restart. And also you should try unplugging your Ethernet cable and then plugging it back in.